Hi everyone, welcome to Veganized by Veli. Today I'll be veganizing the best sandwich I've made so far. Not to toot my own horn, but toot toot. We're going to start with half a medium purple onion and we're going to cut it into very thin slices. Add a third cup of white vinegar and a teaspoon of salt. Mix around and set aside for the end. We're also going to make a quick pickled cabbage. For this, you'll need 2 cups of shredded cabbage, 2/3 cup of white vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. After you mix all the ingredients, set it to the side, and again, we'll use this at the end when we are assembling the chimi. We're going to dissolve the quarter bouillon cube in a little bit of water, and we're going to add that to our mix later. Here is 1 package of Beyond Meat ground. You are going to add 3 tablespoons of sofrito, 1 teaspoon of reduced sodium soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a pinch of black pepper, and the quarter vegan beef bouillon cube that we dissolved earlier. Mix the ingredients all around. And then next you'll see that I put on gloves just because I didn't want to touch the mix with my long nails, but you don't have to use gloves for this. Here you see me forming the patties. You should, before you start forming the patties, break the mixture into 3 equal parts and then you shape into a patty. Here I'm forming the second patty. And next I'll make the third patty. Next we're making the mayo ketchup chimi sauce, which is essential for this recipe because this is what gives the chimi the specific chimi flavor that it has. For this I used 2/3 cup of vegan mayo, 1/3 cup ketchup, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro, and 2 to 4 squirts of your preferred hot sauce. Mix that all in and we will use it at the end. Next, I'm going to cook all patties for 2 to 3 minutes on each side on medium heat, or until the patties are golden brown. In 2 to 3 minutes, we're ready to be flipped. They look nice and golden brown, so they're almost ready. Okay, now to assemble the sandwich, make sure you slice the roll in half and lightly toast it. You're going to generously spread the mayo ketchup sauce on both halves of the bread. Then we're starting from the bottom up. 2 slices of tomato per sandwich. Drain before this, or just shake off the vinegar solution from the cabbage and add some cabbage to each sandwich. And then we're going to do the same with the onion. Shake it or drain it before. I was very generous with my onions because I love onions. You can see they've pickled nicely, quickly and nicely. They have that beautiful pink color. Okay, next you're going to take the top half of each roll and also spread the mayo ketchup sauce on it generously. Don't be shy, get it all over the bread. Put the top half on. Look how delicious this sandwich looks. It literally slaps. Listen to that crunch of the toasted bread. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.